So, today on Don't Overthink It, the cooking show, we are making Martha Stewart's chocolate chip cookies. So, today we're using our old handy dandy cooking book.
Heather,
Hmm?
we're not using the book.
Oh, but it's a cooking book for a cooking show.
Yeah, well, we couldn't afford the Martha Stewart cooking book, so we bought you an iPad.
Okay, sure. So, instead today we're using our handy dandy cooking book.
Handy dandy.
So first we need flour. And we're using Arm & Hammer pure baking soda.
Sprinkling the sugar.
Sugar. Salt. Kirkland's signature vanilla extract. 2 large eggs. So we're using an assortment of dark chocolate chips, white chocolate, and butterscotch chocolate chips. So first what you want to do is preheat the oven to 50 degrees.
350 degrees.
Fahrenheit. that is.
Fahrenheit. That's better, because Celsius would be like a death.
Yeah, she did that. Then, in a small bowl, whisk together the flour and baking soda. So the measurements for both are 1 1/4 cups of flour and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. So now you're gonna whisk it. Next, in a separate bowl, mix together 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1 full cup patted brown sugar, and 1 cup 2/6 of unsalted butter. So next add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and the 2 large eggs. Add in the flour mixture until just combined. To mix in 2 cups of the chocolate chips, so we're gonna mix them all together. Make an assortment. Okay, so after you've done that, we're gonna go over here and put basically just the size of cookie you want. I'll figure it out.
2 giant cookies.
Do you want to? So, we've now decided to make 2 giant cookies instead of like small ones because
1 each.
it'll just be great. So, come over here. So, we've got our baking tray, we got our parchment paper. Now, to make the 2 giant cookies. recipe to cook until edges are golden, but the center is still soft. So 8 to 10 minutes. So we're gonna try for 10. And since we have 2 giant cookies, we might have to put it in for longer.
We'll do the cupcake challenge where you take a toothpick and you shove it in. If it comes out clean, then we're good.
Yeah.
Well, it won't come out perfectly clean, obviously. Okay, Heather. Here, I'll move the bowl. I'm gonna eat it in the corner.
No. That's how. Smack you in oven.
Which much?
I smack you.
I'm not Hansel. I'm not Gretel.
I'm Ryan.
That's not gonna work.
We'll see. We'll figure it out. Okay, so we were filming, and then we put them in, and we decided to take a break. Then we forgot to film, and yeah, they didn't turn out as well. They're a little undercooked. Deal.
Yeah, we had to cut them because it was too big.
Note to self, don't do that. Don't make 2 big cookies. Just make the regular cookies.
Yeah, that was stupid on our part.
Yeah.
Comment below if you've ever done the exact same thing.
Yeah.
It's good though. Sort of. The chocolate chips kind of throw it off a little bit.
Yeah, but no, what are you gonna do? Please hit the subscribe button and maybe give us a thumbs up. And of course, comment anything you want. Maybe not hateful comments, but you know, comment normal things. Yeah, comment if you've ever done this. Like us. Stupid 13-year-olds trying to be cool. Eat a lot of candy. That doesn't work. Put it lower.
Bye guys.